Hello everyone, welcome back to another Comtech video. Today I'm going to show you how to configure NAT on router part 1, and this is the basic configuration NAT. This is a NAT additional. So in this network infrastructure I have two routers that connect serial 0 to router 2 with serial 0, and I have any device to PC connect to switch, and the connection between router to switch I use straight through connection, and from switch to router I use straight through also. And for the connection serial interface is 0/0/0 to router 2/0 the same, use the serial connection. Okay, let's configure on each device. PC1, go to desktop, IP configuration. Yeah, we can assign on the static IP address, follow network topology 192.168.1.10. Subnet mask /24 and default gateway of router. Default gateway of router, yes, 192.168.1.1, yes. And PC2 you can configure the same, like IP address and default gateway of router. Okay, let's start configure on router 1. That router 1 is NAT overload. Okay, let's start configure on it. So go to click on router and CLI, hit enter, EN to enable configuration. So T to configuration mode. Yes, in this mode you can assign hostname also. Follow our network topology, hostname on 1. So we start going to assign IP address on each interface of router 1. We go interface G0/0 INT G0/0. We can assign IP address. Follow our network topology 192.168.1.1. Subnet mask 255.255.255.3 Oh, sorry. The IP 192.168.1.1. Subnet mask 255.255.255.3 no shutdown interface. Yes, the connection between switch to router using interface G0/0 change status to up. Okay, we're going to configure another interface serial 0/0/0 INT S 0/0/0. Yes, the IP address. This is the public IP address that we will going to assign on R1 interface. 200. Oh, sorry. IP at 200.10.0.1/24 255.3 times .0. No shutdown interface. Yes, and we assign clock rate 64,000. We set to clock rate 64,000. Okay, yes, now we already configure on router 1, and then we going to assign and configure on router 2. That router 2 is the static NAT. We go say ls en enable configure t to configure correct configuration mode, assign hostname or 2. Yes, we assign IP address, follow our network topology, IP 8 real interface row /row public IP address 200.10.0.2 /24 2553 times .0. Sorry. Oh, we go to interface first. int real row /row IP 8 200.10.0.2 follow our network topology, and then subnet mask /24 255.255.255 3 times .0. No shutdown interface. Yes, the interface between router 1 and router 2 change status from down to up. Then we go to configure another interface on router 2. Interface G0 /row int G row /row IP 8 private IP address 10.0.0.1 /8 255.0.0.0/8 no shutdown interface. Yes, now we going to configure on server. This is a configure on router 1 and router 2 is we already configure on it, and we start to configure on server. Go to server, desktop, static IP address on server. Here is the IP address. Then we use we use /8 also. We use /8 also. 10.0.0.0. Okay. 10.0.0 .254 subnet mask /8 and default gateway of router 2 interface G0 /row IP address 10.0.0.1. Okay, now we already configure on it, and then make sure our server is running. Configure. Yes, this is the IP address that we have configured on it. HTTP, okay, on this one make sure our HTTP is off, so we can turn off and turn on HTTP. Okay, make sure this HTTP is up. So for this video is finished. So I think everyone enjoy my video part 1, and in the next video I will going to show you how to configure NAT part 2 that will see you very soon. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and if you have any question, comment below video. Okay, thank you, bye, see you for next video.